What's that? You don't like me? Well, I don't like me neither.
Could you pass the sugar?
Could you pass away?
What would you call killing a friend?
I've heard this one. Homicide.
Murder. Beanbags are just boneless chairs.
Alistair, what's a metaphor?
My life is a train wreck.
I know, but what's a metaphor?
If you're homeless, just buy a house. Does manifesting really work? I need someone dead by the weekend. Trauma? Oh, you mean the reason I'm hilarious?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm taken.
Take it as a joke!
Shut up!
If bedbugs live in your bed, where do cockroaches live? Am I perfect? No. But am I trying to be a better person? No. I want to die.
Language.
Hecky heck, I crave death. I don't know how to flirt, but I can make things awkward if you're into that. Normalize telling people I don't care in the middle of conversation.